Okay, in this problem, it is asking for me how many moles of CaCl can be produced from 65 grams of HCl. So I'm going to start this problem the way I start every problem. Take what I know and put it over 1. It tells me 65 grams of HCl, put it over 1. Okay, if I've got grams of HCl on this side, I've got grams of HCl on the bottom of the other side. I'm going to have to fill in this box. I'll get that from my periodic table. Always have to go through moles. So first of all, how many grams are in HCl? I'm going to need my periodic table real quick. H is 1, and what is Cl? Cl is 45.45. 45.45. Do that math here. So I've got H, I've got one of them times 1. Cl, I've got one of them times 35.45. 1 plus 45.45 is 36.45, so that's what's going to go in here, 36.45. Great, I know I'm doing it right because my units cancel as I go. 1 mole of HCl. This is a step where I need to convert it to moles of a different substance. Okay, so I know I've got moles of HCl here. I'm going to have moles of HCl on the bottom here. On the top, I'm going to have moles of what I'm looking for. What am I looking for? CaCl2. Great. I'm going to have to fill in these boxes. These are pretty easy. I get these from my periodic here. So let's see, HCl. There's a 2 here. So I'll put 2. And there is nothing there, so I'll just put a 1. So now I know my final answer is going to be 65 times 1 times 1. So my top number is 65. My bottom number is going to be 36.45 times 2. So I'm going to do that math real quick. Look at this. 36.45. 36.45 from right here times 2 from right there. Now I've got my bottom number of 72.9. 65 divided by 72.9 is going to be 65 divided by 72.9 equals 0.89. I'm going to say 0.89 moles CO2. So 0.89 moles, and I said it wrong, CaCl2. I know that because these are all canceling.